Welcome to the Quick and Easy Meals channel, the Keto series. One of the challenges of doing keto is coming up with quick and easy, non-traditional meals. So we will be sharing with you on this channel quick and easy, non-traditional meals. Let's get started.
Quick and easy meals. Take out the stress to learn and make easy, delicious, healthy meals within minutes. Quick and easy meals. How do you like your meals? Quick and easy.
Today we will make a side dish called avocado egg salad. It can be used as a snack or a side dish or even a main dish, but we're going to look at it as a side dish today, and this little ingredients will create a nice meal for you. So we're going to use the ingredients: salt, black pepper, green onions, paprika, avocado, and 8 eggs. So let's get started. First, we'll boil the eggs for about 15 minutes. Then we'll let them cool in the hot water for about 15 minutes. Then we'll run them through some cool water just to make sure they're cool enough for us to peel and chop up. Once your eggs have been boiled, you can peel them, and then you're going to chop them up. Now, if you're fancy with the knife, you can do that, or you can use a food processor like I do for the quick and easy way. So I just cut the egg in half after it's boiled, and I put it on the processor, and I just, bam, it's all chopped up. You know, bam, all chopped up. So then you have this, and you'll put this in the bowl with your chopped up eggs, however you chopped them up, whether you did it with a knife manually or you did it quick and easy with the food processor. And we'll mix this into the bowl. We'll put these in a bowl. Now that your eggs are chopped up, we'll put them in a bowl. And now we will get our avocado. Make sure it doesn't matter how you cut, just however you like them. I got them in nice small squares based on the processor. Now you want to cut your avocado and take the seed out. So you just cut it. There's a seed in the center. So you want to make sure that you cut it around that seed. And then you want to de-seed it. I usually stab it like that and pull it out just like that. We'll put that into we'll mash these avocados into a bowl. Now that we have the avocado de-seeded, we'll scoop out the avocado. We'll get a fork and we'll mash this all up into a smooth paste. Okay, and as you continue to mash this up, one thing I didn't mention you can do is add mustard, but I'm going to add my special sauce. But you could do mustard or the special sauce if your store has it. The special sauce has just a little bit, a nice flavor that I like. Let's just say it that way. And then we're going to also add in the green onions. So make sure you wash these off, and then we'll chop these up. Now, if you're like me, you like to do it quick and easy, I'm going to cut those up with the kitchen shears. I'll show you that in just a second. So with the green onions, we're going to wash them off, and then we're going to cut them up at small bite-sized pieces just like this. I'm going to use shears, that's faster for me. If you're fancy and handy with the knife, you should use the knife. But just as much as you think is appropriate for your liking. And we'll mix those in. We got our mustard or our special sauce in here. We're gonna put some paprika in here. Not too much, just a little bit more. And we'll get that all stirred up. Once we have that mixture all stirred up, we will mix it in with the eggs, like so. And like I said, this can be a snack, this can be a side dish, and this combined with salmon is a powerful meal in itself for keto fans. And then we'll just get this all combined up, and you will have an avocado egg salad. We'll add some pepper to your liking and some salt to your taste. Not too much. Mix that up a little bit more. And you're just about ready to serve. Okay, if you pair this with salmon, you have a very powerful keto meal. The avocado is the fat, the good fat, healthy fat that you need. This is just powerful. Eggs, the protein, it's great. You can also have it as a side. You can have it as a side dish with salmon, for example, and you can just eat it like a snack. You know, just instead of a cracker, you have a cucumber. There we go. I think it's that special sauce that puts it over the top. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the Quick and Easy Meals channel. In the description, I've left you some links that will help you understand the benefits of keto and the instructions to today's recipe.